What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I appreciate you guys' time. So today we're going to be doing something real quick on the GTI here. Yes, I know I made a video about it being gone, but the buyer kind of fell through on that. No worries, there's another guy for sure coming to pick it up here in about a week or so. I have to take it and get it inspected. But anyway, I'm getting a little off topic. I just saw in the opening, the dash light is on for the airbag, and I have diagnosed it to the seatbelt buckle. So that's what we're gonna be replacing today. So let's get right into that. All right, so this is the buckle here. We're gonna be replacing. There's 2 wires that run up into it, and since it gets moved around all the time, the yellow wire has messed up, which the yellow indicates airbag. There are 4 M10 bolts each corner. We're gonna go ahead and get those pulled out. But before we get that started, we're going to go ahead, pop the hood here and get the battery disconnected, since we will be working with the airbag system. Okay, with the battery disconnected, go ahead and slide whatever seat you're going to be working on. For us, it's going to be the driver's side. Go ahead and slide it all the way back. We'll start with the front 2 M10 bolts and then slide it all the way forward. Get the rear 2 out. Be able to pull the seat up, get everything disconnected. Alright, if you're looking just off the rocker panel, there's a little flap here under the seat. Go ahead and disconnect these 2 yellow connectors so that when the seat flips back, it doesn't put any kind of unwanted tension on it. So we're going to go ahead and pull all 3 of these out. They're pretty simple. You got a little clip here. One here. Oh, we're gonna need a little flathead for that, but pull these out, all 3 of them, and then we'll be able to lean the seat back. All right, as you can see, I've got the seat kind of turned a little sideways. I went ahead and pulled the lever and slid the rail all the way forward. So if you come in here, you got your seatbelt buckle right here. Follow it down to to the bottom. There's an M8 bolt. It's silver. You got to pull it out. That'll release the bracket, and then we'll trace this wire around to right here. We'll go ahead and get it unplugged. All right, now press and hold to clear. And here we go. These will go away once the engine started, because we disconnected the battery. The wheel sensor came on, but we'll fire up the car, do a little test drive, and then hopefully that stays off. All right, that was a really quick and easy install. Doing a test drive now for a little bit. No lights on the dash. Everything's staying off like it's supposed to, so nice, quick, easy job. Always gotta love those. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna wrap up this job. It's super quick. I realize that I say super quite often in my videos and just regular talking in general, but that's gonna be it. If you liked it, go ahead and drop a thumbs up. Tag the subscription button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh, and I will have the part and the code listed down in the description box. So, catch you guys in the next one.